A clue. A clue.
You see a clue? Where?
Right there, on the grass.
Oh. There it is. Look at that. Our next clue is grass. How about that? You know what we need now? Our super duper notebook. Okay. Grass. So, to draw grass, we start with a line that goes up and down like this. And then a line underneath. And we have grass. Okay. So what was our first clue?
Shapes.
Oh yeah. Shapes. And now our second clue is grass. So what can we do on our nature day? With shapes and grass? Really? You think so? Well, let's just find our last clue and find out.
Hey Justin. Maria, Julia, and Marietta are at the door.
Oh. Thanks, Kipper. Hi Maria, Julia, and Marietta. How are you guys?
Just fine. What have you been up to today?
Just enjoying a nice nature day. What about you?
We went to Marietta's ballet school and saw Marietta's butterfly cycle play. And it was great.
Oh wow. I wish Kipper and I were there to see it.
Well, that's okay. There's always next time. But anyways, we came to give you your letter.
Wow. A nature letter. Thanks guys.
You're welcome. We'll see you later.
We just got a letter. 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 I wonder who it's from. It's a letter from our friends.
And it's for nature.
We're going on a nature walk in the Australian rainforest.
The trees are so tall.
Look at the butterflies.
What's that?
It's a bush turkey.
Look at a big spider. Look, it's a frog. Hey Mom, look at the fish.
Bye. Wow. What a nice nature walk that boy and her mom had. Maybe we should go on a nature walk sometime. Come on. Let's go see what Kipper's up to.